A new era in business, the birth of spreadsheet macros.
Spreadsheet macros emerged in the early 1980s, transforming how businesses handled data. Before macros, repetitive tasks were time-consuming and prone to errors. The arrival of macros, predefined sets of instructions, gave users incredible power to automate processes and improve accuracy. This innovation marked a turning point in office productivity, setting the stage for a revolution in business efficiency.
Lotus 123, the pioneer of spreadsheet automation.
Lotus 123, launched in 1983, was a game changer for personal computing and business. Its macro recording features let users create small programs to automate tasks right within their spreadsheets. This not only reduced manual labor, but also allowed non-programmers to build powerful solutions, making Lotus 123 a dominant force in the marketplace.
The growth of macros beyond basic tasks.
Macros quickly evolved to handle more complex operations. Users could now automate everything from data calculations to generating custom reports. Advanced macro language features enabled businesses to connect spreadsheets with external databases and other applications, extending the influence of spreadsheet automation well beyond simple formulas.
Excel and the rise of Visual Basic for applications.
Microsoft Excel emerged as a spreadsheet powerhouse in the late 1980s. Its integration of Visual Basic for applications, or VBA, made macro programming more accessible and robust. With VBA, users could design intricate workflows, automate data analysis, and build user interfaces, all from within Excel, solidifying macros as critical business tools.
Spreadsheet macros today, essential tools for modern workflows.
Today, macros remain vital for business efficiency worldwide. Professionals use them to streamline operations, reduce repetitive work, and ensure consistency. Modern spreadsheet apps extend macro functionality into the cloud and across devices, reflecting decades of evolution. The journey from Lotus 123 to Excel illustrates how a simple automation tool reshaped business as we know it.